Arabian sandfish, but I cannot see it.
It's so color white.
Oh.
Ito.
Ayan! Do you see it? There in the corner. Can you see it?
What's it?
That's
Wonder
a
gecko.
Wonder gecko.
That's what is that? What's that?
Here, rock semaphore gecko. It's hiding on the rocks. You cannot see. Can you see
Rock
it?
semaphore gecko. Hajar rock agama.
The frog, look. Arabian toad. Hindi pa nagtatago. Arabian toad.
It's a frog.
Hello.
The frog one spot.
Oh,
You see in the water.
this is an Arabian toad.
Arabian toad.
Do you feel cold na?
Oh my God! Let's stop it right there. A seaweed. What's happening after this?
Another frog. Oh yeah, it's a Dofar toad. Find it.
Dofar toad.
Find it. Find it. Look at it leave.
Marsh frog.
Nasaan na si Marsh?
Wala.
What's
This is looks like a turtle, but it's
Cas
called a...
Caspian terrapin.
Ayan ang fish mo.
What's that? What's that?
It's a hasik gara. Wow, something new.
Oh my God! This is the one.
Hasik gara.
How are you? Are you happy? Yeah.
Are you happy? Sinagot yung sarili.
It's like a catfish. What's that something?
Hasik gara.
What's that?
This is a killifish.
Azra killifish.
Where is it na? It's so small.
Yeah.
Wala naman.
Can't see.
Tuluguro.
Here also, Arabian killifish.
Ito, gara ulit na. Gara.
Oh, what's a fish? What's a fish?
So small fish. And there, ano na ko sticking on the glass.
Tawir at sa ear. Gara.
And this one looks like a snail.
Gara.
May snail lagi daw.
Yeah, maybe.
Ako may snail, oh. Yeah, it's also a gara. Yeah.
Jordanian gara.
Jordanian.
So many! Just ayat!
Ito pa, other side.
Ay, ito si Moses!
Paunahin ko muna to sila. Kasi may matanda eh.
Oh, say what's his name? Ano, what's his name?
Ito muna sa center. Ito muna center. Itong beetle muna.
Crane yun. Try crane yun.
Hold me! Oh, it's some big ones and then some small ones.
Arabian darking beetle.
What's that?
Ito sa loob.
Oh, the Moses is what's that kind of fish?
Ayun, yung...
Ah.
Yun na pala yun.
Himri. Himri.
It's a himri.
Unahin mo na lang sila. Lance, sabi mo, come here. Lance, 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 Lance. I'll show you something. Lance, come here, come here. Okay na.
It's a turtle.
What's the dinosaurs?
Yeah, I'm looking for the name. Maybe it's ano kaya? Gara, a big one.
Oh, this two! This two!
Good terrapin. Turtle.
What's the dinosaurs?
Gara?
What's the dinosaurs?
Yeah, it's a different one. No.
Wow, what do you think of that?
What's in there? Monitor.
Wow!
Monitor lizard. Find it. Find it.
The monitor.
Come on, where is it? Yeah, predatory book.
Over there!
Where? It's a wood.
It's a wood. Where is it? Come on, let's find it. We can do it. We're gonna find it. Let's find it.
Find it muna here.
Let's find it. Come on.
Yemen monitor.
Okay, okay. Oh, wait lang. Lucas is here. Let's call Lucas. Ayun na, Lucas is here na.
Ah, ito oh.
Ayun! We found it there. There on the sand. It's the monitor. Monitor lizard. Hi, monitor lizard.
So pag nahulog yung phone mo dito,
So long. Lucas, look. It's a monitor lizard. Pumunta ka pa ka ng desierto. May makita ka. Lizard land.
let's go to the scorpions.
Come here, Wawa.
Follow me daw, follow me.
Follow me, Wawa.
You walk. Okay, tag-20 ah.
Gan. Tingnan mo naman sa'yo.
Grasshoppers and locusts. I think they're mating right now.
Grasshoppers and locusts.
Over there.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Can you see? There's a lot on
Over
the...
there.
What is in here? Diving beetle. Here comes the diving beetle. Let's find it. Where are you, diving beetle? Here comes the diving beetle. Let us run. Where are you? Ayun, ayun. Ayun. Here comes the diving beetle. Let us run away. Ano, diving beetle? Aray, aray. Paano? What's in there?
Scorpions. Scorpions.
Where are you? It should be black.
Scorpions. But they're
He's hiding in the rocks na, under the rocks.
scorpions. this one,
What's in the tank?
it's praying mantis. Come on, let's look for praying mantis in here. Wait for me, Lance. Lance, Lance, cricket is here. Cricket.
Oh, is that one cheated?
Yeah, it's a cricket.
Is that property?
Black bush cricket.
What are you, Daddy?
Wow. The birds are flying just here.
What's that?
This is awesome. This is the mountain habitat. You can see some Indian roller, house bunting, pale rack sparrow, sand partridge, collared dove, and rock dove.
What is that?
Nice. Ito na nga yung mga sinasabi mo.
Check the birds. Over there. Look, on top of the tree.
May may storage ka.
Two, three. Oh, what's that? What's that? What is that?
Para ma-zoom
What's
sa...
that? What's that? What's that?
I'm gonna check first.